Messick's, a helping hand with your land.
Hey guys, Neil from Messick's here. I want to take a minute and give you a personal invite to our open house that we have coming up here in January. We have done open houses for as long as I can remember. I remember being a little 5 and 6 year old kid running around when we used to clean out the shop and set up for movies and invite people in order to come see equipment and feed them some food and socialize and everything. And that event has continued for decades here now at this point. We're coming up into 2018 and we're making plans and putting out the schedule for what our 2018 open house is going to look like. And we keep on adding to it, more events, more displays, more vendors, more stuff to check out. One of the things that's really cool about our open house is that it's something that people really show up for in mass. I know you may have gone to a lot of events like this in the past at other places and been a little underwhelmed by the turnout maybe, but that is certainly not the case here. Our open houses are huge. Hundreds of people show up every day. There's a lot going on and a lot to look at. A lot of the draw for our events is typically educational clinics, vendor information. It's stuff to really help you understand and learn more about your equipment and what's out there on the market. And then our parts department runs some significant discounts as well. So we'll do a blanket 10% off of most parts that are in the bin, and up to 25% on some filters and stuff when you're buying in case quantities and those kinds of things. So a lot of discounts, opportunities from our parts department to save money, and a lot of educational opportunities for you too. The dates run at our Halifax, Abbottstown, and Carlisle stores, January 15th through the 20th. And in our Elizabethtown and Bendersville stores, January 22nd through the 27th. If you're not familiar with our locations, our Elizabethtown location is what we call our hub store. It's where a majority of our inventories are at, and it's by far the biggest of the open houses with the most schedules, the most stuff going on. So if you're going to pick one of those to come to, E-Town is really the one to check out. So there's a lot going on as far as educational opportunities. Every morning starts out with a pancake breakfast at E-Town. It's offered at the other stores as well, but E-Town does it every day. So if you show up first thing in the morning, I actually will be out here cooking you pancakes, sausage. It's a really actually good breakfast, believe it or not. And then we have different things throughout the day. We'll link to the description down here in the bottom for what the actual schedule is. But just to give you some of the highlights, it'd be sprayer meetings if you have an application license and you need points. We have several opportunities for you to get points for your licenses throughout the week. We have safety conversations. We have the state police come in and talk about trail running equipment on the road. We've got somebody from a fuel treatment company coming in to talk to you about fuel treatments and how those can keep your equipment running better. We have a gentleman named Paul Smith, who's a bit of a legend around New Holland, has worked for them for a long time in their service department and runs a lot of the maintenance clinics that we have for New Holland equipment. So we've got those for your disc binds if you want to figure out how to service your disc bind and get some tips on doing that. We have a New Holland forage harvester representative coming in to do service and maintenance clinics on our forage harvesters. Penn State has guys coming in to do core and category points seminars for your spray points. We have New Holland coming in again to do round baler clinics, large square baler clinics, hay preservative clinics, small square baler clinics. So if you're into haying, a lot of good technical information available here to you that week. And then DHA Telehandlers has a guy coming in. Kubota Light Construction is going to be here to go over skid steers, compact track loaders, and excavators. So a lot of cool opportunities here to come out, free food, free lunch, and learn some things in the process. So if you got a free week here in January, you want to stop out and visit us, see where all of these videos are coming from. Our Elizabethtown location, January 22nd to the 27th, or if it doesn't suit you that week, all of our other stores will have open houses going on with scaled down versions of the same schedules. The same events and stuff are offered at all of our locations. So look us up if you want. The schedule's going to be posted there at www.messicks.com, and you can check there for more details. Thanks, guys. Hope to see you.